Okay, let's start from the beginning. So you do not have anything placed, yes?
No.
Perfect. All right, can you see my screen? Are you using Webull?
Yes.
Okay, here's what we got to do. Amazon, go to options, calls. So what you guys are probably doing is you're probably clicking over here, bid or ask or last instead of mid, right?
Right.
So click mid. Click,
Okay.
then come over here, choose the quantity, click this to say mid price,
Okay.
place the order. It'll look just like this. Do you see it?
Yeah. And so should we always click on mid?
Yes, always. Then
Right.
if it sits here like this, we right click, modify, choose this again, the same thing, and go mid again. It's because the price is changing. Do you see it?
Right.
Same. There it goes. It finally placed the full order, and that's how you do the orders.
Thank you, Coach.
You're welcome.